All right, 45 is in the section where we're going to go from grams to grams. This is the longest of the picket fences that we're going to do in this section. And I don't know why, but for most kids, this is the time where things click, and most kids think that this is easier than all the other ones we've done. Even though the process is exactly the same, it just seems to click. All right, so we're going to follow the same 4 steps that we always have. All right, the first step is to write and balance the equation. So chlorine is a more reactive element than bromine. Thus, chlorine will replace bromine in a compound through a single replacement reaction. If 30 grams of aluminum bromide react with chlorine in this fashion, how many grams of aluminum chloride will be formed? All right, the hardest part here might be number 1, or the step 1 again, which is to write and balance the reaction. We need to read carefully. We have 30 grams of aluminum bromide, so that's AlBr. Let's balance the charges though, plus 3, minus 1, so AlBr 3. It reacts with chlorine, so that means plus Cl, but Cl's diatomic, so it's always a 2, goes to. All right, the first sentence says that chlorine and bromine switch places in this single replacement reaction. All right, so usually it's the first thing changing places, but this time it's the second thing, and the problem tells you that. And also, in my rules for single replacement, it does say that a halogen can be replaced by a more active halogen. That's the 4th or 5th rule in single replacements, and it's just evidenced right there. So the reaction, the new thing is AlCl3 plus Br2. It is diatomic, and this once again was plus 3 minus 1. So this one is actually pretty cool. It's a double 2,3 swaparoo. All right, so let's take care of this 3 bromines. I'm going to put a 3 there, and then I need to put the 2 in front of the other one. That makes 2 aluminums, but that's okay because we're going to have another 2,3 swap here because this 3 and that 2. Alright, so the balanced chemical equation is 2AlBr3 plus 3Cl2 goes to 2AlCl3 plus 3Br2. Alright, now, the next steps. Oh, that's terrible. It says, alright, if 30 grams react, how many grams of aluminum? So grams Al. The given is 30 grams of AlBr3. Let's see what we do on our map. Our map, we are starting, right? Here's our start side. We're starting in mass, in grams. Put your finger on it. And we're going to end on mass in grams. So we need these 3 steps: the gram formula mass per mole, the ratio of coefficients, and the next gram formula mass per mole. So let's work through that. We know that whatever unit is here goes there. That's why we like the picket fence. This is the gram formula mass. It is always the grams per 1 mole. Alright, I don't know this number yet, but we'll add it up later. Alright, that's Br3 also. The next step was ratio of coefficients. Alright, I know this unit here has to go there, so I'll put mole AlBr3. And now I go from what I have, which is aluminum bromide, to what I want, which is just moles of Al. These numbers come from up here. Uh-oh. I did something wrong. Aluminum chloride, I forgot over here, I'm sorry. Grams of AlCl3. Alright, so that would mean I need moles over here of AlCl3. I apologize, I hope that I didn't lose anyone there. Alright, so moles AlCl3. The final step told me to do gram formula mass, and I'll wrap this up in the next